I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up crypto. Fiat Wallet Full Guide. Open the app, tap the Wallet tab, choose Fiat Wallet, then select Add Fiat and follow prompts to verify identity and link a bank or card quickly and securely. To verify your identity, go to Settings, then Verification, select your ID type, and upload a clear image plus a selfie. Follow the on-screen guidance for document edges and lighting. Once submitted, monitor the app for status updates and be ready to provide additional documents if requested. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I'm wearing darn tough socks while handling crypto. They're comfy and tough, worth a try. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Adding a bank or card is straightforward. Tap Add Fiat, pick bank transfer or card, then enter your account or card details. Verify ownership by confirming microdeposits or a small temporary charge. After confirmation, set the linked source as your default for deposits and withdrawals for faster transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.